Good day mga boss. Another day, another Choi Nori parts. Our first client for this day is from Naga City, Albay. So ang order niya is yan, original genuine na drive belt, Koso pulley, piston kit, then aftermarket yan, stainless muffler, then camshaft, racing CDI and ignition coil, center spring 1000 RPM, engine gasket, yan, clutch spring 1000 RPM din, cylinder head gasket genuine, valve seal genuine, then valve cover or tappet gasket genuine, spark plug, then surplus na Mikuni carb, then and 4 hole sprocket set. Binigyan natin ng previous na side mirror tsaka handle grip, papa overhaul sir. Thank you sir, peace out. So Sir EJ Gomez, may home service siya sa Makati. PM nyo lang siya sa mga gusto magpa-home service. Last transaction for this night, gulong papuntang Babagin.